Hello everyone, welcome back to Logan's Weather Channel. I'm going to be doing something different today. I'm going to be giving a little bit of a forecast kind of thing, making videos for more than just Michigan. I'm going to actually do it for the entire country today. So we have a large area here of general thunderstorms that reaches all the way from Rhode Island all the way out to California, Oregon, and Washington out there. And then there is a few slight risk areas in including Washington, D.C., Maryland, parts of Pennsylvania, a little bit of New Jersey, Delaware, Virginia, and West Virginia. And then the other side of West Virginia, there's another slight risk in Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, and West Virginia. And surrounding that, there is a marginal risk that goes all the way down to the tippy top of North Carolina. And it actually stretches all the way out through Indiana, Illinois, into Missouri. And then you can see this large slight risk here that is in Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and a little bit of extreme northwestern Arkansas. And then in the middle of that, there is a enhanced risk in the yellow, and that is for Kansas, a large swath through central Oklahoma, and a little bit of Texas. Now, the main threat to this whole thing is wind. As there is also a hatched risk in the Texas, Oklahoma area. The next risk would be hail, as there's another hatched risk in that same area with a 5% around it and also a 30% in the middle there. And then another little small area here, actually not small, it's large, centered basically around West Virginia. And then for the tornado threat, there is a 2% chance here in southern Ohio, a little bit of Indiana, Kentucky, and West Virginia. This also has a hatched risk, which indicates you have 2 tornadoes are possible. And then over here in Texas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri, there's another 2% risk with a large 5% risk in Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, and Texas. And there's another hatched risk in this area that includes most of the areas inside of this entire risk in it. So looking at the main areas of development, we have some in Kentucky, Ohio, and places like West Virginia. And we've already got some severe thunderstorm warnings. It looks like some large hail on these. And there's actually a severe thunderstorm watch associated with this for those areas. And then over here in Texas and Oklahoma and a bit of Kansas, there's a tornado watch. And there's a few severe thunderstorms in this with a wall cloud already spotted in the central part of it. And then ahead of it, there is a mesoscale discussion for Kansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma.